Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my another video. In this video, how to write series of number in Excel for two method. Okay, method on, type on, and two. Select two cells, one and two cells, and drag down. Now see this automatically edit number, series number, and method number two. Type on. Go to home tab. Now see this fill logo. Click here. Click series, select columns. I select column. You select rows. I select column and start step value on and stop value as you wish. You type. I example type 100. Now click OK. Now see this automatically fill this number. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.